In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use if statements in Smartsheet so you can automatically display different results based on your data. First, open your Smartsheet and locate the column where you want to use the if formula. Then, click on a cell and begin entering your formula. An if statement checks whether a condition is true or false and returns a specific value based on the result. For example, you can create a formula that displays complete if a task is finished and in progress if it isn't. After entering your formula, press enter to apply it. Smartsheet will automatically calculate the result based on the data in that row. If needed, drag or copy the formula down the column to apply it to additional rows. You can also combine multiple if statements to create more advanced logic for project tracking, status updates, and reporting. Once you've tested the results and confirmed everything is working correctly, your sheet will automatically update whenever the underlying data changes. That's it. You've successfully used if statements in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.